Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Use a plastic trim tool to pry the glass gently from the housing, starting at the outer edge. Apply even pressure and rotate the tool slowly. Do not pry with a metal screwdriver. Disconnect the heater connector by pressing its small tab and pulling straight, noting its orientation for reconnection. Work slowly to avoid cracking the glass, wear gloves, and protect the housing with tape. If the glass is clipped, free the 3 plastic clips by levering outward. Keep track of clip positions as you remove the glass. Locate and remove the 2 T20 Torx screws that secure the old cover to the mirror assembly. Keep screws in a small container. With the glass removed, use a plastic trim tool to release the retaining clips by pressing inward while pulling the cover away from the base. Check for hidden clips under the lower lip and pry gently with the trim tool to avoid breaking plastic. Inspect the cover for broken tabs. Replace any damaged clips or use a small zip tie to stabilize the new cover if needed. Align the new cover tabs with the base. Press firmly until each clip engages and reinstall the 2 T20 Torx screws snugly. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the heater connector with correct orientation and reseat the mirror glass by aligning the 3 clip points and pressing evenly until it snaps into place. Operate the mirror adjustment and heater for 10 seconds to confirm full function and check for vibrations while driving at low speed. If there is play, loosen screws, realign tabs, and retorque to snug fit for a secure, rattle-free result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.